Hi Virgo, this is your week 2 for October 2015. Now we have Venus and she's moving into your own sign and she's joined by Mars and Jupiter over here, and it's quite a lovely month. It is that entire month that she's here, so there's going to be a lot of focus on yourself, on your dreams or desires. It's pretty much that you are going to be under a spotlight this entire month, and Mars is going to be there. So Mars is going to be giving you all that energy, that enthusiasm, that push that you require to be moving ahead, or maybe to be even taking decisions. Mercury also goes direct on the 10th, and Mercury is going direct in your house of earned income, in your own house of earned income, your money and also your self-worth. And Mercury, so for the last 3 weeks Mercury has been retrograde. On the 10th of October it goes direct, and during this time you'll find that maybe if you had applied for certain loans, or it had got stalled, or you were looking for a promotion and it had or even an alternate job where you'd been hoping, you'd be negotiating for a higher salary, all that will get moving now for you, and it's a good time to be having discussions on that as well, Virgo. So for those of you who have been hesitating to talk about money or broach the topic about finances, it's a great time. Week 2 is a good time to be talking about money, to be clearing your debts, your taxes, insurance, everything that has to do with it. It's also a time wherein that you will be having a lot of new opportunities, because we have a new moon that is there on the 13th in your part of your earned income. So that's a beautiful time. You will get opportunities to maybe your portfolio increased, or maybe there's a newer job, there's a newer project that is there that happens for you. It's also a time wherein that, because Jupiter is there as well in your own sign, it's just going to be expanding. So it's going to be quite in align with your own dreams, your desires and your goals. For those of you who are feeling a little overwhelmed with maybe there's too much of work that you're doing, I think it's a good time to be prioritizing your work as well, and seeing as to what is it that you really need to be doing, rather than taking it all on your plate at one go. Mercury is going to be encouraging you to clear, or not just clear, I would say, but have very effective conversations. And I think you're going to be spending a lot of time this month voicing out exactly what is it that you want for yourself in your career, or even I would say in your own personal life. What is it that is your dream? What is it that you really, your heart desires? And you're going to be talking about it. You're going to be sharing ideas. Maybe you're going to be sharing it with your special person. Maybe you're going to be sharing it with a mentor or your immediate boss, and you're going to be explaining as to exactly where it is that you see, or how it is that you see yourself growing. And so a lot of focus is there on you defining your own goals, your desires and dreams this month. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Virgos. I'll see you next week. And